Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply the AI shake movement to your videos on CapCut. So this new effect or new feature on CapCut can easily elevate your dance video. So what you need to do is just import the clip, click on it on the track and swipe through the menu until you find the camera tracking options. Click on that, then choose the AI movement, and in here select the shake one. Click on that and wait for CapCut to apply the AI movement to your clips. Okay, so now the AI movement has been applied, and now my video will look like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.